Before the dawn, before the earth, you were God, and you gave life birth. The heavens sing of who you are. Your glory shines beyond the stars. Holy, holy, Lord Almighty, all creation bows before thee. From age to age, your name remains, your kingdom stands, your love sustains. Holy forever, holy is your name. Glory and honor belong to you. Holy forever, forever you reign. All of creation will worship you. The Lamb who came to save the lost, redeemed us through the highest cost. Every nation, every tongue will praise the one whose victory's won. Holy forever, holy is your name. Glory and honor belong to you. Holy forever, forever you reign. All of creation will worship you. Blessing and glory, wisdom and power, honor and praise belong to you. Forever and ever, you sit on the throne. Our God, our Savior, faithful and true. Holy forever, holy is your name. Heaven and earth will proclaim your praise. Holy forever, forever you reign. Jesus our King, we lift your name. Holy, holy, holy are you, Lord. Forever and ever, your glory endures. Holy, holy, worthy of praise. Forever our God, forever you reign. Holy forever, holy is your name. Heaven and earth will proclaim your praise. Holy forever, forever you reign. Jesus our King, we lift your name.